What if the next Apple device doesn't have a screen and could actually replace your iPhone? Leaks suggest Apple is secretly building a powerful AI companion that can project an interface directly onto your palm and understand your world in real time. No apps, no screen, just AI, voice, and projection. If these rumors are true, Apple might be preparing the biggest tech shift since the original iPhone. For nearly 2 decades, the smartphone has been the center of our digital lives, but according to recent leaks and insider reports, Apple may be preparing something that could change that forever. The company is reportedly working on a next-generation personal AI gadget that could become its most important device since the original iPhone. This mysterious project, rumored to be called Apple Halo or Apple Aura, is not just another accessory. Instead, it's designed to be a compact AI companion that combines the capabilities of multiple Apple devices into one tiny gadget. Imagine something that blends the intelligence of Siri, the connectivity of the iPhone, and the spatial technology seen in Apple's latest innovations. But here's the shocking part. The device may not even have a traditional screen. According to early information from supply chain sources, the gadget could be slightly larger than an AirPods case, featuring a sleek aluminum body with a glass front panel. Inside, it would include a tiny built-in microprojector capable of displaying a full interface directly onto your palm or any nearby surface. If this technology works as expected, it could completely change how we interact with devices, replacing the familiar smartphone screen with something far more futuristic. And that might just be the beginning of Apple's biggest technological gamble yet. One of the most revolutionary ideas behind Apple's rumored AI gadget is the way you interact with it. Instead of staring at a glass screen all day, the device could completely change the interface itself. According to leaks, Apple is developing a microprojection system that can display the iOS interface directly onto your palm or any nearby surface. Imagine holding a tiny device in your hand and suddenly a bright interactive display appears on your palm. But it's not just a simple projection. The system reportedly uses LiDAR sensors and ultra-wide cameras to track the movement of your fingers, turning your hand into a fully interactive touchscreen. That means you could scroll through messages, open apps, or control navigation simply by moving your fingers in the air. No glass screen, no tapping on a phone, just gestures, projection, and artificial intelligence working together in real time. At the heart of this device could be a new generation Apple neural engine chip, specifically designed to run powerful AI models locally on the device. Instead of sending your data to the cloud, the gadget would process voice commands, images, and environmental data directly on the hardware itself. This allows the AI assistant to react instantly without delays, while also keeping user data private. The system could understand voice commands, analyze surroundings, and even provide real-time recommendations, all without relying on constant internet connectivity. But the most fascinating feature may be something Apple insiders are calling a context awareness engine. This system continuously analyzes the environment around you using built-in cameras and microphones. It understands where you are, who you are talking to, and what you might need next. In other words, the device doesn't just respond to commands, it anticipates them. And if Apple manages to make this work smoothly, it could redefine how humans interact with technology. What truly makes this rumored Apple device so fascinating isn't just the projection technology, it's the intelligence behind it. Apple is reportedly developing a powerful local AI system designed to operate directly on the device rather than relying heavily on cloud servers. This means the gadget could process voice commands, analyze images, understand conversations, and even interpret your surroundings almost instantly. Unlike traditional assistants that wait for commands, this AI would constantly learn from your environment and behavior. In simple terms, it wouldn't just react, it would anticipate what you need next. For example, imagine walking into an airport. Without asking anything, the device could automatically display your boarding pass on your palm. If you're discussing a meeting with someone, it might instantly suggest adding the event to your calendar. These small but powerful actions could make the device feel less like a gadget and more like a true digital companion. Apple is also reportedly focusing heavily on privacy and security, which has long been one of the company's biggest selling points. Instead of uploading personal data to external servers, most of the AI processing would happen locally on the device. This reduces the risk of data leaks while allowing faster responses. To protect user data even further, the device may include advanced biometric security. Reports suggest it could use vein pattern recognition in the palm along with voice identification to confirm the owner's identity. This would make accessing personal information nearly impossible for anyone else. If these features actually make it into the final product, Apple wouldn't just be releasing another gadget, it would be introducing a new type of technology, one where AI quietly works in the background, constantly assisting you without ever needing a traditional screen. But the biggest question surrounding this mysterious Apple gadget is not just how it works, it's what it means for the future of smartphones. For years, Apple has slowly been moving toward a world where technology becomes more invisible and more integrated into everyday life. And this AI companion could be the next step in that evolution. Instead of pulling a phone out of your pocket dozens of times a day, this device could quietly handle most of your daily digital tasks. Notifications, navigation, reminders, translations, and even communication could all happen through projection, voice interaction, and intelligent suggestions. Over time, the smartphone might become less important as this new AI companion begins to take over more functions. Apple is also reportedly exploring deeper ecosystem integration. Imagine walking into your home and your lights automatically turning on because the AI recognizes your presence, or looking at a product in a store and instantly seeing its price, ingredients, or reviews projected onto your hand. Navigation could appear directly in your field of view, guiding you through streets in real time. Analysts believe Apple may initially introduce this device as a companion product that works alongside the iPhone, but over the next 5 to 7 years, it could gradually take on more responsibilities until the smartphone becomes just a secondary screen. If that transition actually happens, we could be witnessing the start of a completely new technological era. The same way the iPhone once replaced traditional mobile phones, this new AI device could redefine how humans interact with the digital world. And if Apple succeeds, the device in your pocket today might soon become just a stepping stone to something far more powerful. So the real question is not just whether Apple is building this device. The real question is whether the world is ready for it. For nearly 2 decades, the smartphone has been the center of our digital lives. We check it dozens of times a day, scroll through apps, reply to messages, and rely on it for almost everything. But if Apple's rumored AI companion becomes reality, the way we interact with technology could change completely. Instead of staring at screens, technology might start working quietly in the background, helping us without demanding constant attention. Think about it. A device that understands your environment, predicts what you need, projects information directly onto your hand, and runs powerful AI without even relying on the cloud. That's not just an upgrade, that's a completely new category of technology. And if Apple truly launches this product, it could trigger a massive shift across the entire tech industry. Competitors like Google, Samsung, and other tech giants would likely rush to build their own versions of personal AI companions. Just like the original iPhone reshaped the smartphone market, this device could redefine the next generation of computing. Of course, many questions still remain. Will people really feel comfortable replacing their smartphones with an AI gadget? Will projection interfaces and voice controls be enough for everyday use? And most importantly, can Apple deliver the seamless experience that its fans expect? But one thing is certain, if this project becomes real, we might look back at the next few years as the moment when the post-smartphone era truly began. And who knows, let the device that replaces your iPhone might not even have a screen at all.